Welcome to Study Loop.
In the first part of this question, we have to calculate the maximum velocity, which is represented by v. Let's begin with the equation to calculate this v. V equals to r omega. So call it equation 1. Now setting the values into this equation, we will get v equals to 12.7 divided by 2 millimeter into 1250 revolutions per minute. Now converting these values given in millimeter into meters and revolutions per minute into radian per seconds through some conversions, we can write v equals to 12.7 divided by 2 multiplied by 10 raised power minus 3 meters into 1250 multiplied by 2 pi divided by 60 radians per second. So this will give us v equals to 831.2 multiplied by 10 raised power minus 3 meter per second. Now let's come toward the second part of this question. In this part of the question, we have to calculate the radial acceleration, which is a radial. In order to calculate this a radial, let me write the equation. A radial equals to omega square r. So call it equation 2. Now setting the values of omega and r with some conversions, we can write a radial equals to 1250 multiplied by 2 pi divided by 60 radian per second whole square into 12.7 divided by 2 multiplied by 10 raised power minus 3 meters. This will give us a radial equals to 108.8 meter per second square. Thank you.